Renee Hughes here, the aroma specialist, and welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe and share if you like this blend. So we're making another blend for fighting the effects of Candida. This is something that's prevalent. A lot of people are dealing with this. I have several clients that have it, and we've made blends together before for this, but this one, I want to pay a little bit more attention to the soothing nature of the blend and immune support. So it's going to be a little different from the one we did recently. So my carrier is that. All right. And let's see if I can get it in here. I'm not going to put quite as much carrier as usual. Stopping right about there. And a part of the reason because I'm going to add another carrier called trauma oil. And trauma oil is a mix of calendula, St. John's, and a couple of other oils. But I like it because it's really helpful for heavy discomforts and pain. So I'm adding just a little bit of that. It's really powerful. You don't need a lot. Okay. And now for our oils. Clove bud. Now, I mentioned before with clove bud, it's one that I pretty much don't make a immune support, or if I'm trying to get rid of anything, what we call yuckies, I'm going to pretty much use clove bud and oregano. I'm not using oregano in this blend because I want it to be a little bit more soothing than the power. This one has the power too to help with the Candida, but I really want to focus on the immune support. It's just a different, similar outcome, but different mix. It really just depends on the person's system and all the different symptoms that they're going through. So this person, their whole immune system is kind of compromised, and so I really want to focus on that and to be very gentle with them while still getting results. So getting back to clove bud, it can be skin irritating. And so some aromatherapists will say don't use clove bud, but I've just had such good success with it. And I've been able to help people with and they haven't had the skin irritating reaction because of the carriers and things that I use and how I have them put it on. So if you're sensitive to it, or you think it's too spicy for you, don't add the clove bud. But I really, really love it. So I'm going to do about 10. And you can see it coming out there. And there we go. Whoop, that was 11. Don't freak out. You want to go for as close as you can. There are some times when I'll tell you to just stop your blend and if you go over, but most of the time, especially when you have a carrier, it's okay. You just want to go for that amount. The other one is tea tree. So tea tree is very soothing, but very helpful when it comes to this type of thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So tea tree is one of those oils that when you think of like antifungal, lots of stuff, tea tree. So think about adding that to your blend when you're trying to protect your body and your immune system. It's really great for that. And next up is orange. And so orange, I'm adding that because for one, again, I really want to support our immune system. When the immune system is working well, it's going to help all the way around. And then if your immune system is really compromised, you're getting sick a lot, not just the Candida, but a lot of other things too, you may need some extra immune support. And so that's why we've got the orange. But also with orange, we're looking at a lot of support for the emotions. So this is a great blend when you're wanting to add in. Now this is going to come out pretty quickly, most likely. It's very thin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. When you get to know the oils, you know which ones are going to do that, so you can kind of be prepared and don't dump it out. You don't want to waste these. They're not cheap. The good ones aren't. So let's not waste them. And the beautiful thing is, because they're so concentrated, you just don't need a whole lot. And you can do more harm than good with putting too much. And then the last one is sweet marjoram. So again, immune boosting, soothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo. So she's got a Power Pack blend here, but it is a little different from some of the others that you'll see me make. Each person is different, so there might be just one oil I might replace. And I love to smell it when it's done. Oh man, that's nice. That orange really peeks out. Aromatherapy is a beautiful, beautiful gift. So this is her blend, and what she can do, and I'll probably recommend, is just to have her go ahead and put a little bit more olive oil or something just to fill that up all the way up to the top. So that is the Candida Immune Boosting Blend. Let me know how it goes for you if you try it out, and let me know what you're using. And yes, put those in the comments down below, and please like and subscribe and share it. Share this channel. Share the Aroma Specialist with everybody. All right, bye.